Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to get a live HTML preview in Visual Studio Code. First of all, we open Visual Studio Code. Here, we will just go to the left side and click on Extensions. Then, type Live Server. Click on the first link and install this extension. Next, go to the HTML code. To open the live preview, click on the View tab and then on Command Palette. Here, type Live Server and click on Open with Live Server. That's it. That's the way to get a live HTML preview in Visual Studio Code. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.